Yeah, friends, I extend a warm welcome to all of you to another video of First Rank Business Clinic. In this video, we straightly enter to the subject type of company's identity material for what to do business. To do business, what are the identity material, company's identity material, or whatever you know, small frame that you wish to start with. So basically, which all the identity materials here required. It's a main concern. So many people they just start with, but they just forget. Now, FRBC First Rank Business Clinic, trusted by many, trusted by time. Time changes, but not our values. And FRBC basically for the business beginners, not for the business tycoons. Those already started with. Now we'll convert slowly. Basically, we'll enter into each and every aspects of business. We will enter, and we will certainly enter all the hidden factors, open factors of business. Once our basic classes, the very basic classes, these are all basic classes. Introduction we covered what business to do. In second chapter we covered what type of business is, where to start business. In third, in fourth, we have covered types of documentation required, agreement requires, this and that. What is business all about? Business means what? What are the self questions? What are the qualities that you have that you should ask? You remember, and this in the first chapter one, the first video itself, I very clearly stated you wish to start business, always remember 10 basic things. What is that? Basic aspects you should do self-checking. Those are nothing but your personality, excitement, positive attitude, passion to do business, love to do business, creativity, know your strengths, know your weakness, and you should be a go-getter, willing to learn. You see, willing to learn, willing to correct. So all these points we covered in first to fourth classes. Now once we enter into the fifth, remember types of company identity materials. So we are just moving very fast forward. So I'm Anthony Matthew, welcoming once again all of you. Now, types of business. When you identify types of business, yeah, these are the types of business that I wish to start with. Okay. Now, company should have identity material, isn't it? So, what should be some very simple terms? I'll just explain to you 10 simple points. You should have a name, isn't it? Types of business you identified, you check that you have great attitude, great excitement, you're a go-getter. You understand? All those things are okay. But now coming back, let's see. When you start any firm, it should have a name to identify. Yes, name of the company. Now, what are the identity materials like? You should have a seal, you should have a letterhead, you should have a logo. Okay, those details we'll cover in the latest. I don't go details right now. Type of seals, like you should have address seal, force seal, chairman. If it is a private limited company, you should have chairman seal, director, managing director. If it is a proprietorship firm, you should have a proprietor seal. If it is a partners firm, you should have partner seal. And preferably have a business card and stationery. Now coming to the fifth point, you should have bank account. Most of the bank require company details. If it is a private limited company, such as formation date is required, business type required, and owner, name, address, all those things are basic things basically. Now bank details, basically what you should have: open a business bank account. for business, like a current account, not SB account. SB account, okay, up to an extent is good for a small turnover. Slightly better the turnover. Otherwise, even in otherwise, what you should do, open a business bank account. Separate business finances from personal ones. Your personal things, keep it aside, and your business finances separate. Now, trademark registration for logo. So as I told you, once you identify a name, try to register that particular logo. If you have any other doubt, you come to the commentary section. I can clarify how to register all those things. Now, copyright registration of logo, that also I can tell you in detail in the comment section. This registration establish your company's identity and help potential customer. Now you see, potential customer find and remember you. What is that? A company, B company, yes. Just logo, see the logo, they identify you. So remember this simple 10 steps. So wish you all the best, my friends. I'm Anthony Matthew signing off today.